Well, welcome to my home, everyone. Happy 4th. I hope all of you had a wonderful holiday. So today, we are going to be blending and making a protein smoothie shake, okay? But it's going to boost your immune system. It is also great for a post-exercise and post-workout recovery, okay? It's going to help replenish all of your minerals and all of your electrolytes that you burn from working out. But more importantly, it will help you to control your weight, okay? And curb your appetite. So let's get started. It's really, really simple. 2 cups of frozen mangoes, okay? I love mango, absolutely love mango. I've been eating mango since I could say my own name. Okay, so we have 2 cups of mango. You want 1 full banana. Okay, I like to break it up. So 1 full banana. Okay, you need 1 Greek yogurt, vanilla yogurt. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and put that in there. Now this is like a meal, okay? So it's going to hold you up for 3 hours taking this, okay? So you have your mango, you have your banana, and you have your Greek yogurt. Next up, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, okay? There's a lot of health benefits for flax seeds, but you want 1 tablespoon of flax seed. You need 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, and the brand really doesn't matter. It just has to be MCT oil, okay? Those are your medium chain triglyceride. It's good for brain energy and it's good for clarity, okay? Really, really. Plus, it will boost energy and burn body fat. So, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, okay? A half a cup of orange juice, okay? Boom. Okay? You need a half a cup of water. Half a cup of water, half a cup of almond milk. Boom. You got it in there. Okay. You need 2 cups of ice. Dose. Okay. 2 cups of ice. All right. You need your favorite protein. Okay. Make sure you're using vanilla. Okay. The brand really doesn't matter. Just whatever you like. It just has to be vanilla. Okay, and the reason is you don't want to distort the taste of the mango, okay, because the mango is the champion and the hero for this particular protein smoothie, okay. So let's go ahead and throw a little bit of protein powder in there, really important. I'm just going to put 2 scoops. Okay, that's cool. What I like to do is just throw 1 or 2 drop maximum of peppermint, okay, from Young Living. All right, this is where the magic happens, okay. All right, here we go. Look at that. I'm just gonna let it blend for about 10 seconds, between 10 and 20 seconds. Okay, now I'll shut that off. Voila. Really, really simple. So let me go ahead and pour that. So here's one. Look how pretty that looks. Okay, so what you want to do is just sliver it here. Boom. I'm going to make 1 more sliver. Boom. You got it. And here you are. You have your mango protein smoothie. Okay? Now, the reason why the mango smoothie is so special, okay? It was first discovered about 5,000 years ago in India, okay? And as a symbol of friendship and love, you are given a bag of mango. So ladies, for Valentine's Day, No more red roses for you. Guess what you are going to get? Mango! Okay? So you get a bag of mangoes for Valentine's. Okay? And that's why mangoes protein smoothie is so special. Okay? Now I got these mangoes from my wonderful friend Carl. Carl, this is for you, buddy. Okay? Cheers to a healthy you. And always live with passion.